Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll explain how to rigging the right way and symmetrize them. First thing, create an armature. Select the armor, move it close to the character's chest, and scale it. Go to edit mode. Press E to extrude. Extrude and fix only its left side, so later, we will make it symmetrical. Rigging in Blender involves creating a skeletal structure armature for 3D models, enabling control over their movements. This process is essential for animating characters, objects, or creatures, as it allows artists to pose and animate models with precision. Rigging also includes setting up controls and constraints to streamline animation workflows. Now go to the bones section and rename only the left bones with L. Now select the bones you renamed. Press the right mouse button and click on Symmetrize. Select Body and then Bones. Press Ctrl P and add with automatic weight. Now, you can go to pose mode and edit your animation as you see fit. I hope you found the video useful. Please subscribe, comment, and leave like.
Come along with me to a cliff and